Collier County's only emergency mental health facility has received a major grant to help them manage their emergency services, which are in ever-increasing demand these days. The David Lawrence Center has been awarded $150,000 by the Schulze Family Foundation. For In Your Corner's Carl Fortier, finding out the staff at the center is now hoping for even more funding to fill a growing need for mental health services in Collier County. Carl?
Well, the David Lawrence Center is finding itself at peak capacity more and more often, and while the $150,000 grant will go a long way towards helping them handle the increase in patients, they're already seeing the need for a new building and more beds.
It's been really challenging to keep up with the pace.
The number of people struggling with suicidal thoughts and other mental health issues are growing nationally and here in Collier County. Nancy Dauphiné with the David Lawrence Center says communities should have 30 mental health patient beds for every 100,000 people.
So if you take that ratio, that means that we would need in Collier County over 100 Baker Act beds. We have 30.
She says a recent grant of $150,000 from the Schulze Family Foundation should make it easier for them to handle the overflow.
So that we can have individuals evaluated more quickly by a psychiatrist, so they may not require an admission to the unit.
She says they often get creative using portable beds. A proposed sales tax on November's ballot could provide extra funding and a way for them to build a new treatment facility.
A larger crisis stabilization unit and an emergency services assessment center.
Until they're able to expand, Dauphiné says it's important to share the message of hope, that suicide is preventable.
We have treatment that works. It's a matter of helping reduce the stigma and increasing access to those life-saving services.
The additional support staff from the grant should allow them to shorten the admission process and hopefully reduce the average length of stay at the center. In Collier County, Carl Fortier, Fox 4, In Your Corner.